Hmm. Ah. Even me perceiving the odor self. Me too, I know say tonight na elele. The ringing tone go change. Close to 2 months or even over 2 months self. Fasting, pray, fasting, pray. Mm. I go handle them tonight.
Welcome, Daddy.
My dear, you don't come.
I don't come more.
Welcome.
How are you?
How church today? Come closer now.
We thank God. We thank God. We thank God.
How was the church?
It was fine. How are you?
Yeah, we thank God. Now you are the wait for. That's why I never go to bed.
Why? What is all this?
This one. This one either they call Alomo. Yes, Alomo. They come put on with Opaini and Scrabble. Scrabble they inside. Opaini they inside. Alomo. And then Chomo GC.
What are all of them for?
Now it be say tonight. You know, say you don't finish the 21 days tonight. The wrestling we will go fight upstairs. No sleeping till morning. We go enjoy. See, that ringing tone where you they give me, you go change it tonight. Make I drink small more.
Anyway, Buckingham Daddy, we thank God. Because I know the last 21 days have been very difficult for you.
Me, don't worry. Me, I don't forget that one. So far, we go play tonight. No problem.
Unfortunately, when I was leaving the church today, the pastor said that we should not put a break.
Which break? The 21 days don't finish now.
Yeah, he said we should start another 40 days immediately.
40 what? 40 what? You do 7 days. After 7 days, your pastor said make you start another one for 14 days. You start 14 days. I wait. You finish 14 days. Your pastor still recommend another 21 days. Now you start for 21 days. You finish 21 days today. After you go out for the prayer, you don't break now. Maybe we can't do waiting husband and wife supposed to do. Where you the shift go?
You don't understand what I'm saying.
What no whole Bible to talk. No whole Bible to talk. No take that one. Can't take deceive me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Make it issue all day. Now you want to start 40 days, 49, 40 days.
It's not me that want to start. It's the pastor that said we should start.
You know they start with them, Sha.
No, the pastor said that I should start.
Why? Why?
It's for you and the children.
Will you shut up? Even the Israelites no fast like that. Now you kill Jesus. Now you kill Jesus.
I promise you after this 40 days, no more.
Which 40 days? Okay, come and tell me. What thing you they look for, self? The thing where you they pray for. Where past say, make God sustain this family. What thing again you they look for?
God's protection, God's provision. I want God to give you a good job. So, a very fine job.
Shut up, I beg you. Make I hear. A very, very fine, a good job. A fine job. Now you they provide job.
Not good.
So now that one come talk say, make the thing where I pay dowry for. Make I no get them.
I'm sorry, you know.
Make we go upstairs. I know they hear that one. No fasting.
As I am now, I've already started the fasting and prayer.
You started what?
I don't want to argue, please.
No, wait. You go start tomorrow. Tonight. Let's go.
The pastor said when I get home, I need to read some psalm before I sleep. I'm sorry.
You need to read some psalm. You need to read some psalm.
Hey! Cinechroma Entertainment Television.
Hi. All this one where I don't come drink now, where I won't pour it to.
Go put them down the sink.
Sink. Na shit.
Oh Lord, my God. Contend with those who contend with me.
Huh?
Fight against those who fight against me.
Am I the one that contend with you now? That God should fight with who? For say you should hold your matrimonial home, not to let our home scatter. Now you are now using Bible. You are quoting Bible for me.
Wait. Why can't I'm waiting that they call you? Wait, don't lock that door.
What's happening?
Yeah. Now you are the look for.
You forget something.
Forget something like how?
Waiting now.
Why you know the bank account why I give you? Not the day inside. You don't put shit inside.
Which account?
The account I gave you. That you promised to put money.
Wait, say, what did they worry you? I not give you £20.
You promised me £300.
£300.
We have an agreement with that.
See how you call £300 just? Eh?
What came daddy? What is that?
Johnson, see Wahala.
Madam, what happened?
Oga, you be friend.
No, my friend.
If they owe me money, they owe me £300.
No mind Amo.
Now just wait till you buy.
Thank you. Now just only one night. Only one night.
One night.
Now just jolly for one night. Because they tell me say
just one night.
She won't collect £300 from me. Do you know how many blocks that one we buy in Nigeria? 230,000 naira. You want me to give you? When you put gold for your own.
No,
I didn't silver.
I rug am.
You rug am.
I rug am.
I don't feel any rug there when I get there.
Whether you see me, my money na £300 and you must pay them now.
I don't get £300.
Okay, we go see.
I don't get £300.
What came daddy?
Eh?
Which day you enter this kind one chance?
Now
before
here
you
sleep,
promise
three days ago.
£300.
He do
you not calculate
them
for Nigerian money saying at 200 and something thousand.
Let me ask you. 3 days ago, he carried me sleep for inside this house. Now 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't sleep till when I enter this house. Where he just the bank up and down 5 times.
Waiting.
Now the sister say, you won't keep Percy. I be human be like.
Don't mind them. Even the ringing tone self, you know even good self. I just manage them.
So, but now you promise them 300.
See,
but get the £300.
I not go pay him that kind of money. My wife dey house, so
Okay.
make she just leave me. I don't want that woman to hear anything.
Okay.
Because my wife dey house.
Okay.
Leave me.
Madam!
Which madam?
Madam!
Wait, which madam?
Madam! Oh!
I beg. Stop.
Madam!
Hey, stop. What's it now?
What's going on?
No worry, Gary. This woman, I buy something from her, and she won't collect the money. But they tell her say I never get the money.
Okay.
Don't worry, I will see you. Okay?
Waiting, madam never enter house.
Waiting now.
You be wife?
Yes, I'm a wife.
Good. 3 days ago.
Waiting, you want to?
This year your husband. Yeah. He carried me sleep for inside.
Hey!
Waiting. You see waiting you cause now?
3 days ago.
3 days ago.
When I went to that vigil, Buckingham Daddy.
And that video you go.
When I was praying for you and the children.
You.
Hey.
No mind am, no mind am. Just forget about all this way she dey talk. Oh yeah, leave me. I go see you later.
No.
I go see you later.
No. Now today, now you go pay me my money.
You're such a useless man.
Me?
You're so irresponsible. You're so disrespectful.
Will you shut up your mouth? You better not talk. No talk, oh. Not be you push me to this kind one where I dey now.
How did I push you into it? I pushed you to bring another woman into this house.
Yeah, oh, Mr. Johnson. This woman go say she dey go night vigil for their church. The pastor first tell them, say, make them fast for 7 days. 7 days finish. The day when it finish like this, she said they recommend another 14 days for them.
Because the prayer has not been answered
Which
yet.
prayer? Now you kill Jesus. That 14 days finish. She said another 21 days start again. They finish 21 days. She said they go fast another 40 days, 40 nights.
Hey, but I told you after the 40 days, do more.
Which 40 days?
Is it not because of you and the children I'm fasting?
Madam, wait.
Even the Israelites no fast like that.
Okay, wait. Madam, wait. Make I ask. This is where your husband dey talk like.
Ask him now. Ask him.
Hey, but I'm not doing it for myself. I'm doing it for him and the children.
Doing it for who?
You do 7 days fasting.
Now you be God wey own my life.
After 7 days, you do 14.
Because the prayer was not answered yet.
After, hey, come your pastor wife. they do am as they do am.
Ban Bilere. Bilere. Ask him.
Because why? Waiting make me. Buckingham Daddy, you get your own. I go come to your side first. You know, sir, not the day one side. But madam, this is your own. Now women, now they take on a hand, they scatter on a house. Pastor now they in house, you don't know what they see for your house. I'm not sure say that they advise on a well for that church. When you they do fasting, so it means say you and your husband not go they
I told him after this 40 days.
This one now they waste my time.
Sorry, madam. Now the matter when they so this matter when they
leave me now.
Be waiting happen you for not they here.
So okay. Madam, how much do you want to collect from him?
That's 300 pounds.
300 pounds, Buckingham Daddy. When I ask you for 10 pounds to cook for you and the children, you tell me you don't have money. You promised 300 pounds to a woman.
Me, I'm not getting 300 pounds to pay you.
You go pay because
the money, you get how many blocks I go take and buy for Nigeria.
You cannot get 300 pounds from me.
Buckingham Daddy, where you there where you promise a man? You don't know say block. Now 200 and something before you promise a 300.
Because I don't fool that time now.
Okay, now you don't. Your eye don't clear. You go pay.
See, I be Olosho with license.
You hear? You get license.
Olosho with license.
You get license.
When I call the police, you go pay.
Now driving.
Okay. When I call the police, you go pay.
Police matter.
For 300, what you want to collect? You put gold for your own.
Arrogant.
Okay, leave me. I go see you.
You go pay me my money.
I go see you now.
No, see me. You go pay me now.
You're not going to see her again, You're not going to see her again.
Okay.
All this I will see you tomorrow. I don't want to hear it,
Wait.
This one. No, this one at 20 pounds.
They don't pay you now. They don't pay you now.
30 pounds. Out of 3 months.
Add them to the one where I give you now.
That one, you go give me the taxi one. This one, minus 300. That's 280.
So this is what you do every time I go to church.
Okay, I get your account. I go do transfer.
When?
Next week.
Well, we time next week.
Next week Tuesday.
Okay. You hear I'm not pay me my money.
Don't bank on it. He doesn't have a job.
Okay.
This man does not have a job. He only works.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Let me tell her. He only works to do
a joke for your eye.
Next week Tuesday.
When I come here, you go pay my money. I go bring you police.
I go do transfer. You leave my
original one with license.
Madam, you don't hear what you
license.
Tell her
next week. You go get your
so if you know, I record me away promise. Wait, do everything. I record that. I record that.
Leave my.
See, I'm not the shame.
Yeah, see yourself as well. See yourself as well. Professional Olosho I be. Yeah, man. I'll collect my money now.
Thank you.
Olosho.
I'm a be. Okay. Now license Olosho I be. Professional one.
Olosho, you know the shame.
What's the shame? Where did it? Be that. You go pay my money.
You don't even get good ringtones.
Yeah, good.
Nonsense.
I get ringtone.
I beg me with the go there, Mr. Johnson.
You dey go.
Useless.
Buckingham Daddy, you're going. Don't worry, go. You come back inside this house and meet me. Just go. They go.
Take them easy with them, When
take them. Why do you inside my matrimonial home? You tell me take them easy. Yeah, you just.
Daddy, yo, Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, Abiala. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy go day. Buckingham Daddy Abiala. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy go day. African legacy, you know they pick and play. African culture, you hold am very tight. African money, you know they play and talk. For you dream, for you wait, African blood. Buckingham Daddy Abiala. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy go day.